What's going on YouTube? Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and guess what? It is back to school, and I know when I was in school, I did not look forward to having to go back to school, but then there was a period where I kind of did as I got older, and if you guys can relate, or girls, if you're going into, first grade, or whether it's fifth grade or high school, whatever it is, your image is a very, very important thing, and, I always say that, trust me, from a bald guy, good hair is important, but it's all about how you feel on the inside about yourself. And that's what's really crucial, especially when you're in school, because you have so many different types of personalities, and you've got like the super nice kids, and you've got some mean kids, and I just want to bring to you guys a video focused on some cool haircuts that maybe may help you feel a little more confident about how you look when going back to school. So I've got boys and I've got girls. So let's get started first with the boy haircuts. So if you're younger and, or maybe you're a mom or dad watching this and you're thinking of like, what kind of haircut can I have my son or my daughter have when they're going into like preschool or kindergarten, or they're really, really young, and starting off with the boy haircuts, I think it's something that even if the hair isn't the greatest haircut in the world, have it styled nicely. Do something to it. There's so many times where I see, these young boys, whether they're like from like 5 to 8 or 9, and they have like just a buzz cut, or they have the hair type that just sticks up in the back of the head, and the parents or the mom does nothing when it comes to styling their hair, and the kids look, it's like, oh my God, please, like, do something to their hair. So my first suggestion is, whether it's a shorter haircut for a boy, even something a little bit longer, the key is to have it styled. Put some product in it. Make that haircut look like something, and it could take, a minute to do it. After you blow dry their hair, get some product, rub in your hands, and mess the hair up and make it look something kind of cool, rather than just a plain old boring haircut that actually makes the kid end up looking worse. I hate to say it, but a bad haircut or hair that's not styled, it's All right, so as the kids are getting older, the boys are getting older, it's a great transitional period to where I notice a lot of kids want to grow their hair longer. They go through like a really short stage. Then they want to grow their hair a bit longer so they can, spike it up in top, or put some product in, or have like that kind of sweeping surfer type of haircut, or even, something where they're doing like braids or like dreads, or, something that's going to make their hair look really, really unique. So you want to be able to have something that's going to reflect your age and make you look age appropriate, maybe a little bit older, something that's going to really complement who you are and who you're feeling, or what you're feeling about yourself as an individual. So, and then like as you get maybe to like your end of high school or college years, again, this is something where you could be a little more, daring, or a little more conservative, or not really care whatever your hair looks like, because obviously you're going to be in school, and hair is important, but schools is just as important too. So now for the girls, well, the classic, bangs, really heavy bangs, and like, ponytails or pigtails, or kind of the go-to for younger girls. I think also having that like classic bob is really, really nice. It's never going to go anywhere. I think it's going to be something that you're always going to see younger girls with. And then I think as girls get older, their hair is going to start to change texture. It may get straighter, it may get a little bit curlier, it's going to get thicker. So I think you need to kind of change the style based along with, again, the age. Sometimes a one length, a simple haircut can work wonders, because you don't have to worry about it. You can also, use a curling iron on it if you want, or mothers, you guys can style your daughter's hair however you want. It's very, very low maintenance, but the key is as long as you have those ends trimmed, right? You need to have those ends trimmed. Do not let your daughter or daughters go for like a year without a haircut. Trust me, it really, really shows. Keep up with the maintenance of their hair so that it looks good. And then you can start to introduce layers, maybe, but the minute you put layers in your hair, depending on what type of, how long it is or how short the layers are or the overall haircut, it could make a girl look a lot older. and I've done it a million times where I cut a girl's hair who's like 14, and when I'm done, she looks like she's like 19, because the hair, the layers, and the shape of it can make someone look a lot older, even for boys too. So I think, as you get older, as the girls get older, I think it's a great time where they all want to experiment. They want to try something new. They've got, other girls who are talking to them. Everyone's looking up at YouTube, and they want to, look at beauty tutorials and things like that. They're always looking at hair. So I think it's a good time to kind of, maybe experiment with some highlights, or maybe go something a little more daring, or try different braids, or, be unique with your style. And it doesn't matter your background or ethnicity. Just be creative, have fun, and feel good about yourself too. It's really, really important. I guess that really wraps it up, guys. In the photos I had shown, I hope that you got some understandings. These are haircuts that I actually picked out myself because it showed such a good variety of haircuts. If you do like any of them, maybe show that picture to your stylist or your barber. But hopefully this video helped you guys. And if your moms or your dads or whatever watching, or you guys, kids yourselves, it's really important that you don't be afraid to try something really cool, because you could be really, really young and have an awesome haircut. I've seen babies with cool haircuts, okay? So don't be afraid, and parents, let your kids have fun. Let them do whatever they want to do with their hair, as long as it's, you're okay with it, but let them be happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.